Hello, this is Mila, and you're watching How To with Malaysians. Hello YouTube and welcome back. Thank you for stopping by my channel again. Today I have not a skeleton but a pumpkin edition. I decided to dupe some Pier 1 and I believe it was Crate and Barrel, if not Pottery Barn. I might have a little cluster of all of them together, but I haven't done the project yet, but I will be completing it. And I am so excited to show you because this is we're rounding out to the end of Halloween, and I want to make sure that I cover everything with you guys before I started getting into the fall decor, which is one of my favorite seasons because of course Thanksgiving's coming, and then Christmas, and you know there's lots to do with Christmas. I already see a lot of the other YouTubers already putting out Christmas stuff. You know, whatever works for them. I'm trying to stick to what I'm doing in the house currently, and I know people are looking for inspiration in all sorts of ways, and I just want to stick to a method that run me dry, if that makes any sense. Since my house is still in a Halloween decor, I want to go ahead and stick to that till Halloween is over. So you'll be seeing stuff as it goes to the decor in my house. So just wanted to let you guys know that. But I'm excited. I hope that you do enjoy watching my channel because I try to find cheaper ways of, you know, doing higher end looking items on a budget. Because of course, I mean, I do have the money to spend on certain things, but I don't know, it's more rewarding for me, and I'm sure it is for you guys too, when you're able to recreate something that you did yourself. And that's the whole purpose why I started the How To with Malaysians, because people are always asking me, how do you do that? When do you find time to do that? Can you show me how to do it? And as much as I try to do like a little ladies workshop where I show and we, you know, craft together, it just never happened. So this is my way of doing it so that I can do it with anyone that wants to watch my channel. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please say so in the comment. If you have an idea of what you want me to do next, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on my social media. I am on Instagram and on Facebook, and my tag is How To with Malaysians. And that's it, guys. Next week will be my last episode of Halloween stuff. So let's get right to it. bye.